What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video. It's your favorite rebel on two wheels, Donna M. Ryder. Okay, so in my previous video, hence the same background setting, I already introduced you the Nolan helmet. This is my new carbon fiber. It's actually quite light as well, very light. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing my my Cardo, aka Cardo, actually pronounced as Cardo, but it is me, Cardo. I know a lot of you guys hate that or like it. I do get a lot of you guys saying that you do like the way when I say Cardo. So, but yes, Cardo. I have the Cardo Pack Top Pro, guys. It is the newest. I am very, very excited. It comes with all of these really, really cool features. And the most important of it all is a crash detection. So if you ever, I hope not, had a crash, your car door will send a signal to the nearest people around and say, SOS, come help. It has an auto off and on. So if you're not using the car door, it has a smart system where it turns off automatically. Air mount, it's got a 45mm speakers. I believe the one before is a 30mm. I'm not too sure. This is the second gen. Waterproof. And yeah, all of the funky fun things that comes with it. Let's open it up. Look how pretty. Activate your unit, which I will do later on. So it has a whole app feature. This is exactly like the Edge, guys, but obviously this is the Pro version. And then you've got all the goodies in here. You got the standard before you start kit. Then you got this. How to start and pair. So easy, guys. Then you got also the app. Just download the app if you don't have it. Radio. If you have it, read the manual. It is quite helpful. Then you have this. How to install it, and a sticker, and then you have all of the good stuff in here. Ooh, goodies! You got the charger, you got your speakers, you got, what's in here, what's in here? I think this is your mic. Oh yes, this is the unit where you want to clip on or stick it on. So you got the clip and stick and your mic. And then you also have, oh yes, so this one is a clip. This is to stick onto your helmet if you want a sticky one, or you get the clip-on ones, which I prefer the clip ones. And then you've got your mic, and then you also have another mic here as well, so which I prefer. Okay, so now we have all of this on. Let us start installing this into our helmet. Okay, so first things first. Where would I like to place it in my helmet? I prefer it this way because I'm right-handed, so I will put it right here. What I'm gonna do, take this little clippy thing, So this is to stick into your helmet. I don't want to stick that. I'm gonna do this simple thing. I will simply get this clip on like so. Slide it in here. Okay. Slide it in. And there we go. Voila! You got your clippies on. So, once I got the clip on, did I do it the opposite way? Oh no, so it's gonna have to be in the left because of how I clipped it, I guess. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have it on my left. Yeah, it's gonna be in the left. So I'm gonna place it right here. So I simply just clip this in like so. I don't know if you can see this. There you go. Nice and clipped on. I don't know if that's too forward. Nah, it should be fine. This should be fine. Oh, this came out quite easily. Maybe I should place it back a little bit. Okay. Spin it backwards now. Okay. Now with the Nolan, it's so much easier to like take these off too. So I'm gonna put this, like the cushions. You can see the cushions come off quite nicely. We can actually take it off because make it easier for us to install this. So these are the extra wire bits. So I'm gonna take that off and get that tucked in here. They've got some, within the Nolan helmet, let me just show you here. Within the Nolan helmet, they have this really, really cool little bits here where you can actually pop the wires in. So you got one for the mic. So this is the mic wire because it looks like so. So you pop that in here. So it can simply slide in. That's quite cool. That's a cool feature about this helmet. You see? So it just slides in here. Make it so much easier. You can go all the way through. Wow, it's like it's meant to be together, you know? So you put it in here, into this loop. So it's nice and neat. Nothing is worse than having wires literally all over the place. So let this come out from here. Oh, perfect. You see that? Absolutely perfect. So then we can add on our little mic and have it stuck right here. This is literally so perfect. Okay, so what's next? We're gonna have this thingamajig. I'm gonna have that inserted there so the wires are nicely tucked in like so, and have them sticking out like so. Okay, so it's nicely tucked in. Let's have our speakers nicely in. Done. That's such a satisfying sound. So I tend to leave the smallest one on this end and I start feeding the wires through. So let's do this. Let's leave the short end closest to the mic and start feeding this all the way through around. I don't like having the wires anywhere because like it gets quite messy. Feed that all the way around. All the way around till you find a gap. So this is where it's gonna be. Okay. Oh, you don't have, wow. You don't have to have your Velcro on there because actually it goes really well in here, but that's where your cheeks are gonna be. So luckily it has a nice little gaping hole, like a gap in here. So I can actually put the Velcro in there. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna have the Velcro in there so I can have that nicely sitting there. And it's apparently I was told that it's quite loud. So yeah, let's us try. I'm gonna put this back in there. Okay, so now if you can see, the wires are nicely tucked in. They're all nice and snug in there. As you can see, I have placed the speaker in that end. Placed one in here too. Okay, what I'm gonna do after this is all nicely tucked in, got all the wires nicely tucked in as well. None should be sticking out. Don't want any of that sticking out. I am gonna put some Velcro in here, so that will be nicely tucked in like so. This shouldn't be around here, so I'm gonna tuck that back in here, all underneath. Once that's done, I will add the Velcro so it's easier, like so. And then add another Velcro in here as well. Let me start adding the Velcro, and I'm gonna start adding Velcro in here as well, where I want to place my mic. So my mic will be right here. So guys, these are what you get, the Velcros. And then these, if you're wondering what these are actually spacers. If you feel like the speakers are too far away, you use these to push them forward. So yeah, I doubt we'll need that, but knowing me, I'm deaf, so I'll probably need it. Okay, I'm trying to connect the two now. To pair. Trying to find it. Oh, there we go. Now we go in here. Pair you. Activate now. Activated. This is the Pro. Let's say Donna M. Ryder. I'm in the UK. Okay. So it's gonna do some updates now. BRB.